Number 16, Smith & Wesson 5906. I'm going to stop the slideshow for a minute here because I actually own a 5906, and I have to say I was kind of surprised that this was on the most comfortable list at number 16. I mean, it is a double stack, so it's kind of thick, but it is extremely comfortable, I have to say. Just the curves here and the little indentation under here make it very, very comfortable. I really think from an ergonomic standpoint this is an outstanding pistol. But nonetheless, I said I'm kind of surprised. So anyway, let's continue with the list. On to the next. Number 10, USP Compact. I also own one of these, another one of them on the list. Yes, very, very comfortable. Nice grip angle, just an outstanding gun, and very easy to get your hand around. So, I wasn't exactly surprised, although probably there are even more comfortable pistols than this. So, back to the list. Number 4, Walther P99. Absolutely no surprise about this one. I expected this to be on the list. This was sort of the pistol that started the back straps as far as I know, and now of course everybody has these back straps. This pistol is just outstandingly comfortable. So comfortable, just like it was made for your hand. Just the way it's sculpted and the shape of it and everything. It is just about perfect, and it is one of the most comfortable pistols that I know of. So, back to the list. Okay, so now, here we are. Number 1. This pistol hasn't been around very long, but I wasn't surprised that it was on the list. It is so comfortable and so customizable for your hand. Is customizable a word? Well, I'm not sure if it is, but anyway, you can adjust this gun to your hand just about better than any other gun that I can think of. And yes, it is a polymer gun. So can you guess what it is? Overwhelmingly unanimous choice of so many people, and myself included. I personally don't know if I agree with everything on this list, and there's probably even other things on this list that should have been included. You can't please everybody, and I didn't make up the list myself anyway. So what do you think it is? Here it comes. Number 1, Heckler & Koch P30. Yep, this is such a comfortable gun, mainly because I'm sure you know that not only does this have adjustable back straps, but also side straps. So you can really customize this gun just to your hand. And you see these little finger grooves here, and the way it's sculpted here. Boy, I'll tell you, it's an ergonomic masterpiece. There's no gun really that I can think of that's more comfortable than this. To hold in your hand, that is. Also, it's a dream to shoot. And I'm not a big polymer guy. I'm really not. But this gun has literally almost changed my mind about polymers, because it is a masterpiece in my opinion. Now, I know you may not agree, and some of you may even hate this gun. I'd like to hear from you what you think should be number one, or at the very least on this list, because, you know, this list is subjective and everybody has a different opinion. I think this gun deserves to be on this list, and I think it deserves to be number one. However, I'd like to hear from you what you think maybe should be number one. Oh, and by the way, I live in the People's Republic of California, so I have to have 10-round magazines. So, you know, what can I say? You should feel sorry for me, the rest of you that live in the United States. Anyway, still a superb gun. Thanks again.